Hi, we are the group of students from Maramara High School. Our names are Laia, Daniel Martin, Héctor Benitez, and Isabela. In this video, we'll answer the question: how will be the solar system if Jupiter was a handball ball?
First of all, we looked for the sizes of the planets on the internet. After that, we made a rule of 3 with all the planets included the Moon. We used as a reference Jupiter, which size was 12.5 centimeters.
By looking on the internet the distance of them from their position to the Sun, we made a rule of 3 again with all of them.
After that, we searched for objects with the same size as our operations had given us. Finally, we went outside and made a visual representation of our universe at scale.